Hey guys, by the time you're seeing this video, the video that I did with Austin is already out, and after this video is the prank. So I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy that video, and for now, enjoy this video. I've already got water on the lens, but it's loud as hell out here. We're venturing off to a main road area. You see, we brought umbrellas because it is currently raining. Get out of here. But yeah, it's coming down right now. The rain should let up, as so the weather says. I'm not putting any trust into it, so yeah.
I'm doing with my life.
Playing with birds.
I'm fucking convinced this is what we should be doing online. No, I got this.
Are you serious? You got that? Oh my god. Thing is that the birds are so used to getting fed that they're just like tame, you know? Yo, Will, don't move. Oh, really? Dude, that's awesome.
That is awesome.
So they're just like, they're pretty much tame now. Since like, dude, one of them came right up to my bag, just landed right on me, dude.
How did no one get a photo of that?
No, he got it. He got it, dude. Dude.
Feeding the bird?
Dude.
That's seriously like my thing.
Yo. Dude. Yo. Send me the picture of the one where the bird landed on my wrist. I couldn't record because I didn't want to move my hand. No, when you get the chance to. Before I put the video on, dude. Oh my god. This is like the high point right now.
These photos are gonna be fucking amazing. Like no joke.
Hold up, I got some shit to show you.
Even with the trash cans and everything, dude. Oh, this is where the building fell. I didn't even know a building fell 2 weeks ago. Or 2 years ago.
Oh. Jesus, Murphy.
All right, we should probably get out of here.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Dude, those are some giant. They're even bigger, like, in person. Hi, guys. This is about to get real! About to get real! Yep. Man, these are fucking delicious.
You like them?
Yeah. So Will just made bagels, and they look pretty legit too.
And they're like, they're healthy.
And they taste pretty legit
like
too.
0 carbs in these shits for some reason.
They look pretty legit.
You like eat 25 of them in one day, you will not gain a pound.
That's not true. Don't eat 25 bagels on anything.
So why don't you explain to the guys what this is?
We're setting up to shoot a music video tonight.
And what is this?
If you didn't know what it is, it's the lights, you little
They don't
weirdo.
necessarily know. Some people don't know.
They don't know what a light bulb looks like.
Listen, they don't understand the purpose, maybe.
He's talking out of his ass.
It's only 6 o'clock.
Is it?
Yeah,
It doesn't feel like
it
it.
feels like it's a lot later.
It's because we've had an eventful day, though, you know?
Yeah,
That's a beauty behind that.
today was pretty eventful.
Yeah, I like today. Today was good. I'm letting you come, I'm getting by.
You're plugging into it. No, down. How about, oh fuck. How about up more? No, you want to go down.
Why?
So you avoid that thing.
Yeah, but this is going to be in your shot.
No, not if you...
If we bring it up more, it won't necessarily matter because you're like right here. This is just some kind of a bar.
It'll be behind me.
Yeah. That is why I'm thinking those risers, those wall mounts are probably like ideal for weird rooms like this.
Indeed. Even if we had that, what would we... Because I would get that, dude.
Dude, that's for studios, like straight up studios.
But we could get wall mounts.
Yeah, I'm guessing with those lights, they probably come with it. You gotta say green light, so I know I don't say anything something offensive.
You know what I gotta say to that?
What?
That's what I gotta say.
You know, that's very juvenile.
I don't care.
It shows your age.
Good. You being a bitch shows your age.
Don't worry.
Be happy.
Face when I told her I wanted to rap, told me to drop it with this nonsense or just watch my grades collapse. So either do it or love or just say how I'm living. Damn, that's some hard decision. Say goodbye to 9 to 5's been working 5 to 9. I'm driven, reminiscing of the times, writing raps and mathematics. Thought I had it all down, like this one girl on my mattress, catching feelings cause my music and all my music comes from you. But feelings only last a second. I got time for just a few. When she says you're always working, being it seems to me you don't want this to work. How do you expect for me to let this be? I'm not one of them skirts. But that's the thing, it's time to focus on myself, cause nothing's ever handed, gotta make that shit yourself. Like